गैलेक्सी ऑफ स्किल्स में आपका स्वागत है। Students may face challenges when trying to survive in Canada for several reasons. 1. High tuition fees. International students in Canada often pay higher tuition fees compared to domestic students, which can be a significant financial burden. 2. Cost of living. The cost of living in Canada, including accommodation, food, transportation, and other expenses, can be quite high in some cities. 3. Limited work opportunities. While students are allowed to work part-time during their studies, finding suitable employment can be competitive, especially for those without specialized skills or work experience. 4. Language barrier. International students who are not fluent in English or French may face communication challenges, which can affect their studies and day-to-day life. 5. Cultural adjustment. Adapting to a new culture, social norms, and educational system can be a significant challenge for international students. 6. Visa regulations. Navigating visa and immigration processes and ensuring compliance with regulations can be complex and time-consuming. 7. Healthcare costs. International students may need to purchase private health insurance, and healthcare costs can be a significant expense. 8. Isolation and homesickness. Being far from home and family can lead to feelings of isolation and homesickness, which can impact mental well-being. 9. Academic pressure. Canadian education standards can be rigorous, and students may face pressure to perform well in their studies. 10. Seasonal changes. Adapting to Canada's varied climate, especially the cold winters, can be a physical and emotional challenge for some students. Despite these challenges, many international students successfully navigate their way through their studies in Canada with proper planning, support systems, and resilience. Additionally, Canada offers high-quality education and a multicultural environment, which can be immensely rewarding for students. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for such content.